So, you've launched your very own online business. You've got the website looking fabulous, the products are flying off the virtual shelves, and the positive reviews are rolling in faster than you can say algorithm. Brilliant. But amidst all the digital confetti, there's a tiny elephant in the room. Are you protected? From customer claims that could leave your bank account emptier than a politician's promise to cyber attacks that make you wish you'd never heard the word password, running an online business comes with its own set of thrills and spills. That's where these two superheroes of the insurance world come in. Liability insurance and cyber insurance, but which one is more important? Is it a case of either or both, please? We'll grab a cuppa, settle in, and let's unravel this mystery together, shall we? Right then, let's talk about liability insurance. Imagine this: a customer trips over a stray package in your stockroom during a visit, or heaven forbid, has a nasty reaction to one of your products. Suddenly you're facing a lawsuit faster than you can say no win, no fee. This is where liability insurance swoops in like a knight in shining armor, protecting your business from those oops moments. It covers the legal fees, compensation and damages if you're found liable for things like bodily injury, property damage, or even libel and slander. Think of it as a safety net, catching you if, and sometimes when, things go pear-shaped. Because let's face it, accidents happen, and in the world of business, they can get rather expensive rather quickly. So whether you're selling handmade jewelry, offering online coaching services, or running a virtual bakery, liability insurance is like that sensible friend who always tells you to wear a coat. You might not always want to listen, but you're awfully glad they're there when that unexpected downpour hits. Now let's step into the digital realm, shall we? Here, it's not stray packages or product mishaps you need to worry about, but cyber attacks that can strike faster than you can say firewall. Cyber insurance is your digital guardian angel, protecting your business from the financial and reputational fallout of cybercrime. We're talking data breaches where customer information is leaked faster than a celebrity secret, ransomware attacks that hold your website hostage for a king's ransom, and even social media mishaps that could land you in hotter water than a Twitter war with Piers Morgan. This digital shield covers the cost of investigating and recovering from cyber attacks, legal fees, customer notification, and even PR damage control to help restore your reputation. Because in the digital age, a damaged reputation can be harder to fix than a cracked iPhone screen. So, if your online business relies on websites, customer databases, or online transactions, then cyber insurance isn't just an option, it's as essential as a strong password. And no, password 123 doesn't count. So, we've met our two insurance heroes, but how are they different? Well, think of it this way. Liability insurance is your sensible friend who looks after you in the real world, while cyber insurance is your tech-savvy pal who navigates the digital jungle. Liability insurance deals with tangible things, accidents, injuries, and physical products. It's all about protecting you from the things you can see and touch and sometimes trip over. Cyber insurance, on the other hand, deals with the invisible threats lurking in the digital shadows. It's about protecting your data, your systems, and your online reputation from those who want to exploit them. One way to remember the difference? If it involves a keyboard, a hacker, or a virus, it's probably a job for cyber insurance. If it involves a slip, a trip, or a faulty product, liability insurance is your go-to guy. Chapter 4. Which insurance takes the crown? Now, the million-pound question: which insurance is more important for your business? Well, my dear Watson, it's elementary. It depends. If you're running an online shop selling handmade soaps and candles, your risk profile is different from a tech startup handling sensitive customer data. The former might prioritize liability insurance to cover any product-related mishaps, while the latter might consider cyber insurance their digital knight in shining armor. Think about your business model, the products or services you offer, and how much you rely on technology and customer data. If you're unsure, have a chat with an insurance broker. They're like the Sherlock Holmes of the insurance world, helping you assess your risks and find the right cover for your unique needs. Chapter 5. Why not both? The power of double coverage. But here's a thought. Why choose between liability and cyber insurance when you can have both? It's like having your cake and eating it, but with less sugar and more peace of mind. In today's interconnected world, many businesses face both physical and digital risks. You could have a customer slip and fall in your stockroom while simultaneously battling a cyber attack that's holding your website hostage. Talk about a Monday. Having both types of insurance creates a comprehensive safety net, protecting you from all angles. It's like having a bodyguard for your business, both online and offline. Because when it comes to protecting your hard work, why take chances? Now, I know what you're thinking, this insurance business is more confusing than the plot of Tenet, but fear not, my friends, because that's where our friends at Focus Insurance Services come in. Based right here in the UK, Focus Insurance Services are like those friends who actually enjoy reading insurance policies. They live and breathe this stuff, which is more than we can say for ourselves. Their team of expert insurance brokers will sit down with you, decipher all the jargon, and help you find the perfect insurance cocktail for your business. They'll become your personal insurance allies, fighting your corner and making sure you're properly protected. So are you ready to join the ranks of savvy business owners who are properly protected? Getting started with Focus Insurance Services is as easy as ordering a takeaway on a Friday night. Give them a call, drop them an email, or pop onto their website. They're like that friendly neighbor who's always happy to lend you a cup of sugar, or in this case, expert insurance advice. Don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back. Take a proactive step towards protecting your business today. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. Right then, insurance enthusiasts, it's time to put all this knowledge into action. Pick up the phone and have a chat with the lovely people at Focus Insurance Services. They're waiting for your call on 01733263311. Or if you prefer to let your fingers do the talking, who doesn't these days? Drop them an email at info@focusinsurance.co.uk. They love a good email, almost as much as I love a good anecdote. And for those of you who like to browse at your own pace, their website, focusinsurance.co.uk, is a treasure trove of information. You'll find all the details you need, plus helpful resources and FAQs. So what are you waiting for? Get in touch with Focus Insurance Services today and let them take care of all your insurance needs. You'll be glad you did. So there you have it, the lowdown on liability insurance and cyber insurance. It's a bit like choosing between a comfy pair of slippers and a warm blanket on a chilly night. Ideally, you want both, but seriously, protecting your online business is no laughing matter. Take the time to understand your risks, talk to the experts, and get the right insurance cover in place. Because when you're properly protected, you can focus on what you do best, building your business, delighting your customers, and maybe even treating yourself to a little something sparkly with all the money you'll save by avoiding those unexpected financial hiccups.